guys, it's me again. Ako ron sa IC Mall. Bitaw guys, yung under time ko ron kay process ko sa pag-ibig. Kaya nga akong pag-ibig, akong iprinda. Bitaw kay mulon ko ron. Good morning. I'm here again. Anita Pirotso Vlog. Pwede ko ninyo ngari ko sa National Bookstore. National Bookstore guys. Kaya magpasirok ko sa ako ang mga ID. Kaya ang gamiton sa pag. Wow!
Bullshit.
Rosa Russo, Princess May. Soy Baguio, Mary Colleen A. So Milo Mariel T. Crest, L. TVL, Industrial Arts, Electrical Installation and Maintenance. Ahir Alfred, P. Alipuyo, Kim, M. Arasan, Ralph, J. Arbutante, Zoren, John, C. Arutza, Carl Charles, T. John Michael B. We are also acknowledging the presence of Dr. Lily Kiber, Taoist District Supervisor.
Congratulations to all of you. Today is a very special event in your life. Would I say you are the most unique graduates of the decade because you are not able to have a full face-to-face within your 2 years in senior high school. Am I right? You are having a modular learning. But then, bisan pa man ug nag-module ta, but here we come. We are able to soar high. You're able to receive your basic education curriculum diploma. I know how you feel right now. Of all your hard works, doing the modules day and night, and I hope so that you're doing it religiously. I know it's really hard because before you learn together with your friends, but for 2 years in senior high school, you have to do it alone. But I do understand that you're not the only one who made it through in performing your task entrusted by our teachers as you stay at home. We have to thank also our dear parents for helping you, your brothers and sisters who really exerted more efforts in helping you to achieve what you want, to achieve what you have right now. My dear graduates, you are the most unique one, but I know there are lots of opportunities lie ahead with you. As you exit the portal of Tabalong National High School, you are now equipped with all the necessary things for you to soar high. Always remember, as what we say, your senior high school graduation, your graduation in the basic education would be the first step to enter another exciting and wonderful journey in your life. When you notice, when I proclaim, when I confirm you as graduates of class 2022, you immediately transfer the tassel of your cap. The reason why, the meaning of that is you have to transfer to another very challenging life as you continue achieving your dreams and aspirations. But of course, don't forget your alma mater. As you move forward, please look back of what the good things you have gained from this school. And you have always remember our efficient, dedicated, hardworking teachers. Let's give them a round of applause. Because without them, we're not able to achieve what you have right now. So, dear teachers, headed of course by our very active, sinaligan ni actually one of the best principals in our division of Bukol. We have Sir Elmer Pizarras. Thank you, teachers, for planting the good seed in every heart of our graduates. Thank you for nurturing them. Thank you for inculcating good values to our graduates so that as you pursue your dreams and aspirations, you can surely achieve what you want. To all the parents, saghan kay salamat sa inyong walay paghuno, walay pagpuas nga pagsuporta sa inyong mga anak. Could be dili man ginikana, dili man papa or mama ang naa sa atong mga graduates, some of them, but the lolas, the atis, the kuyas, uncles and aunties, daghan kayong salamat in behalf of the Department of Education because we are also needing your help. As an institution, as a place where they can gain knowledge from our teachers, we also do need people around them so that they can achieve what they want. Thank you very much to all our local officials for helping also our school maintain and sustain the good prestige that we have. My dear graduates, I know that there are many things that we experience as we proceed to the next life, the next journey that we might be facing. My dear graduates, we had an experience of COVID-19. The pandemic brought us a new way of life, isn't it? Look at you now. You are now wearing your face mask. Before, when we have this kind of celebration, we're so very excited to have, what do we call this one? Photo op, because we need to wear lipstick, we have to put foundation in our face because we want to look good. But this time, you have to cover your face. My dear friends, graduates, I want you to know that there is a better world, a better future lies ahead of you as you continue amidst the pandemic. Pandemic, typhoon cannot really stop your journey as an individual. Walay pandemic, walay typhoon nga makaklak sa ato ang pangandoy if you want to reach a very colorful life in the future. Should I say, mahal kayo ang gasolina karon no? Don't you know that? Mahal ang gasolina. So, when I went to the gasoline station, ito mahal na naman ang gasolina karon. So, meaning to say, I know life is so difficult. Life is full of challenges. But don't you know nga, mas dindot daw ko no mag-bike karon kay mahal ang gasolina. Isa ganahan mag-bike. Isa ka maong mag-bike. O, graduates, mas ingon ang mga tao, better to have a bicycle rather than a four-wheel car because the gasoline is now too expensive. It makes our life so difficult. It adds the difficulty that we experience. But my dear graduates, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, I have a principle as I look at people who are doing biking.
Mahal naman po na
Samtang ko
bike.
nagtanaw sa gabike, nagwanahuna ko, magbike na lang ka ako mato sa opisina.
Oh, yun naman po.
But I don't know how to bike. I need to learn. So as I learn biking, I've got a principle that we all have to think about. Ang bicycle di ay, to keep your balance, kinahanglan, you have to keep moving. The moment you stop, you lose your balance and you fall down. So nakaingon ko sa akong kinabuhi nga ang ato di ay paglakbay, ang atong journey sa kalibutan, we have to keep moving. We have to move forward so that we can keep our balance. Whatever challenges, whatever circumstances that we are in, if we keep moving forward towards the direction of our goals and ambitions in life, for sure, we will have that balance and we can reach that shining star. Am I right, dear graduates? So you have to keep your balance. Kaningon ta na ay dato, na ay public, pero dili mao'y sukdanan nga ang makahuman lang og eskwela, mga dato lang. It is not true. Because I am a living witness that because of poverty, it made me realize that I need to have more efforts in achieving my dreams. Like those graduates, dili pud ko anak og dato. But I really study hard, I work hard so that I can also reach my ambition, my goal in life. And I'm so thankful to my parents for helping me. So dear graduates, for those who are well off or has the resources to pursue education, make the most out of it. Don't waste your time. For those who are in a situation nga medyo challenge kaayo ang pag-eskwela, make it as inspiration to work harder, to move forward, because you are the engineer of your life. You are the captain of your ambition. My dear graduates, we want to see, we want to foresee, no, we want to know after maybe 7 years from now or 8 years from now, all our graduates of class 2022 are really successful individuals in their field of choice. We want to know that kind of situation after maybe 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, or we want to know that all our 189 graduates of Tabalong National High School are now a fruitful citizen in their locality or even the whole country. So my dear friends, my dear graduates, the Department of Education is really happy and extending our warmest congratulations to all of you amidst the challenges that you experienced for the 2-year experience in senior high school. Always remember, COVID has nothing to do with our ambition. If COVID changes our way of life, let's take it this way. C for COVID is we have to be courageous enough to move on, to look forward, look for a brighter future. Be courageous enough to stand whatever challenges that you may encounter. Be courageous enough to stand whatever challenges, whatever trials, whatever situations that you feel is really difficult. Because always remember, life has only one principle, and that is never, never give up. Never, never give up. I know you are very familiar with the saying, winners never quit, quitters never win. For letter O of that COVID that changes our life, let us all be optimistic in everything. Niingon sila nga ay, ang honor na may makadto sa college. No, that's not true. All of you are eligible to enroll any colleges and universities of your choice. Be optimistic. Your optimism will bring you to the brighter future, will bring you to a happier life. And B for COVID is, of course, with the help of the teachers staying in your alma mater for quite a long time, we want all of you as you exit this basic education curriculum be a value-laden individual. Our parents can help you have these Christ-like attributes. Always be humble enough. Whatever your achievements, please look back how you started achieving your dreams. So a value-laden individual could be of great help in our community this time. And I, my dear friends, you are holding your diploma. And I want all of you to uphold that integrity as graduate of Tabalong National High School. Kung pangutanon mo, asa di ka ni graduate? I graduate ko sa basic education of Tabalong National High School, which inculcated values in me. That is why I am so successful. Uphold that integrity.